What's up, guys? First job of the day. First of 2 jobs. The first job is carpet cleaning. I think it's about 6 areas, 2 area rugs, and enzymes. We're going to be using P-line for the enzymes throughout most of the house. But there is an area rug that is wool, so I got wool zyme. So I'm going to hit all the wool, the spots on the wool with the wool zyme. It's great to be safe. So great to be prepared, because I could have walked away from some money if I didn't have it. And the solution I use is wool safe. So it's just the little things that you tend to be prepared for as more you're into this business and more you run across things where you say, dang, I wish I had that. That's why I try to fill my van up as much as possible with everything I need, but still leaving it a little roomy. Right now it's a little cluttery, but it's just a little bit more orderly than this. I gotta clean my tools a little better. Sorry about that, guys. That's not too professional. In my van, it was a hectic day yesterday. But anyway, Brenda's in there vacuuming, and what's up, guys? Before the video starts, I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel and liking it. And if you haven't did that yet, go ahead and subscribe. And if you're thinking about getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course down below in the description, as well as the tools I love and use. So now you know. Stay tuned. She says she's treated a lot of these before with inside products she has. So being that's the case, I cannot guarantee total stain removal. But the bacteria will definitely be known. All right, mixing up a little bit more carpet details up in my jug. Got another job after this, so I just want to make it to where I don't have to mix up more when I get to the next job. Customer loves to seal the door. She wants to buy one. All right, for that rug, adjusting the PSI down to about 200. Be about 300 on here, but by the time it comes out of the wand, it'll be about 200. So as long as you have the PSI down like that, you're not going to get the back end of the rug wet. A lot of customers are concerned about that. All right, all finished up, wrapped up, ready to go to the next one. Customer was really impressed on, it's an amazing setup, you know, so that's cool. Makes me feel good. I can't wait to get one of those bigger vans, ProMaster. But yeah, I like my professionalism, and I'm sure they'll call me again. So see you in the next one.